Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have another app from Apple Arcade. So it is basically a simulation game. In this you have a character and you have to create different similar kind of character like your replicas you can say. And in this you have to complete various tasks. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. So the name of the app is Guidelinks. So in this you have to create different guidelinks. So guidelinks are basically your replica, like it can be your sister, your brother, your relative, or some random person. And then there are various tasks for that person, like you have to escape a house, or you have to find a key for a lock, or like you have to find alternate ways to get out of a house, and many more. So let's get to the mobile screen and see how the game is, how its interface is, how we are supposed to play it. So here's the app guys, guide links. So as you can see, this is how the gameplay is. You have to complete various level, you have to get into various house, you have to form team. So it's a single player game and it has some in-game challenges. I have completed one. It says shows 1 out of 1. So let's just play the game. So I have already played some of it. So I have one game save over there. So I'll just start it from the game save. So this is how the game screen is. So let's just start. So I have this saved for Compass Island. So let's just open it. So you have two types of save. One is local save on the iPhone and the other is cloud save. So I have done a local save. So let's just open a local save. And here's the game. So this is the sister of our character. So it's a guide link. So now I have to escape the house. So I guess yes. Here are the tasks. So I have to escape the house. I have to find dad's lockbox key and I have to get Sib's stuff. So let's just resume the game and let's just try finding like where can we get the key. So as you can see this hexagon kind of thing shape. So you can interact over here. So let's just listen. So this is how the conversation is going. So I have to save it after every conversation. This is a pretty annoying thing about this game. Like it comes, the save thing comes up every now and then. I guess it's on mute. Let me just, yeah, this is how it has the background sound. So I just need to check the lock. The cabinet is locked the old fashioned way. Okay. We just reduce the volume a bit. This saving system is a very pretty annoying thing. So now I need to find a key for the lock. Okay. So she's giving an instruction that we need to find the key downstairs itself. So we can't escape this because there's a camera out there and dad will find out. Like she has escaped. So I need to find the key. So this is what the task is. So let me just check where I can find the key. So let me just check in this box. Check the lock. So is there any key, like is there any possibility? So this box is also locked, I guess. Yes, this box is also locked. Let's try with this box. Is there anything interesting over here? This box is also locked. So let me just check something over here in this door if I can find anything. So there is no interaction available for this door. So here are some of the pancakes. So I can have some pancake over here. So this is how the simulation of this game is. This is how you get different tasks over in this game and you have to like complete these tasks. So I'll find the key meanwhile in this level. So you go download the game and let me know how you feel the game is. So if you enjoy the game, do comment down in section below with your experience. So I'll find the key and see you in the next video. Bye bye.